Hey guys, this is a review of the Romicta Bluetooth 5.0 stereo audio amplifier. And the brand did send me a free one, so I wanted to demonstrate the features today in real life. Now this replaced a huge one that I had previously. And this one is a very compact design. You can see here it's very light and easily transportable. But what I really like about this amplifier is the sound quality. It's got a very high quality sound. I'm going to demonstrate it here. Now when you turn it on, you can see right away it says high. Now to change the mode, you simply press this button here. And it goes coaxial, auxiliary line. It's even got an FM radio capability. And there's the Bluetooth. And I wanted to demonstrate how it works. Now, the mic inputs are right here, mic 1 and mic 2. Now, for me, I actually plugged in an electric guitar and an electric drum set. And I wanted to show you the sound quality right now. So here we go. I've got it plugged into regular wires here. Now you can see it's got auxiliary inputs, RCAs, input and output. Here it's for a digital input, FM antenna, which does come with it. Here you can plug in a power DC input or just simply plug it in like I did the regular way here. Now in the front, you can see it's got bass and treble, so you can put them up and down to your liking. Here is the volume. This one is the mic volume. Now up here, you can see you can scan for the FM radio. It's even got a USB port here and an SD port there. So overall, this is a very high quality unit, has great sound, and I would highly recommend this for anyone who needs an amplifier.